Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to public Roblox game. Open Roblox Studio and sign in, then open your place and save your work. Inspect the Explorer and Properties panels to confirm items, scripts, and service settings. Fix obvious errors and test core mechanics by running Play Solo to catch runtime issues. Adjust game permissions, set an appropriate genre and icon, and prepare a concise description for your public listing. Before publishing, thoroughly test your game with Play Solo and start server to simulate players and catch bugs. Invite trusted testers or group members to try multiplayer features and report issues. Adjust permissions to let friends or everyone access the place depending on your goals. Optimize scripts, reduce heavy models, and confirm data persistence works. Solid testing prevents early negative experiences and helps ensure your public release feels polished and fun. When you are ready, choose File, then Publish to Roblox as and select the correct place in your game universe to update. Add clear update notes so players see what changed and why they should return. Configure game metadata like title, description genre, and a compelling thumbnail to boost discoverability. Finally, verify the access settings are correct and click Publish to make the place available to your chosen audience.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.